I wake, I clean, I live. They leave gifts for me, so kind. They feed me like a king, but I don't do it for accolades. My work is my sustenance, soaking up every last crumb in every last crevice. Potato chips. Like our own little game of hide and seek. Found you. It's a simple life, but as the sun is to a flower, vital. Until next time, my old friend.
Tesla unveils robotic vacuum for upcoming Robotaxi service, launching this summer. Tesla has demonstrated a robotic vacuum that appears to be a concept for cleaning up dirty robotaxis. The Cybercab will be priced under $30,000 and is expected to utilize advanced AI and camera systems for navigation and operation. Tesla has recently announced the introduction of a robotic vacuum cleaner designed specifically for its upcoming Robotaxi service. This innovation aims to enhance the cleanliness and maintenance of the Robotaxi fleet, which is set to launch later this year.